Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Rendy Suharsono akan menjelaskan materi mengenai math problem example based on Bloom Taxonomy di cognitive domain. Jadi selanjutnya, what is the level of Bloom Taxonomy cognitive domain? The first one is C1, remembering. The second one is C2, understanding. The third one is C3, applying. The fourth one is C4, analyzing. Next one is C5, evaluating, and the last is C6, creating. Jadi apakah level-level dari Bloom Taxonomy di cognitive domain? Yang pertama itu C1 yaitu mengingat, kedua itu C2 memahami, ketiga itu C3 terapkan, yang keempat itu C4 menganalisa, dan yang kelima itu C5 mengevaluasi, dan yang terakhir itu C6 membuat. Next is di sini saya akan membahas mengenai volume dan daerah dari kerucut. Kerucut adalah perimeter khusus dengan alas yang melingkar. Di sini disediakan berbagai rumusnya, yaitu pertama luas kerucut L sama dengan VRS, luas permukaan daerah. Rumus permukaan daerahnya itu L sama dengan VRS R tambah S. Lalu yang terakhir volumenya, yaitu volume sama dengan 1/3 VR kuadrat T. Masuk pada permasalahan pertama, itu problem example for C1, remembering. Write the formula for cone volume. Solution is volume equal to 1/3 VR kuadrat. Next is why C1 remembering? Remembering is an attempt to regain knowledge from memories. In this problem, we ask to recall what the formula for the volume of a cone that we have learned before. In this problem, there is also KKO, namely right. Next step is problem example C2, understanding. Explain the difference between a surface area and cone area. Solution is the difference between the surface area and the cone area is that on the surface area, the entire surface area of the cone is calculated, while in the cone area, only the blanket area is calculated, so that the base of the cone is not cone. So, why C2 understanding? Understanding is related to building an understanding from variables. In this problem, we ask to understand the material from the surface area and cone area as well, in order to able to answer the problem. In this problem, there is also KKO, and namely explain. Next, problem examples C3, applying. Determine the volume of a cone with radius 12 cm and height 7 cm. And solutions, you can see the solution there. And the result is 616 cm. Why this C3 applying? In C3 understanding, we are required to recall. In C3 applying, we are required to recall the information that has been previously known and then use it in solving problems. In this problem, after remembering the formula for the volume of cone, we can immediately solve the problem according to the data given by the problem. In this problem, there is also KKO, namely determine. Next, problem example C4, analyzing. Rosetta wants to make an ice cream business packed with cones. The cones is ordered to a professional company. Rosetta wants the ice cream cone to be small. The manufacturer recommended making a cone with a cone radius of 3 cm and slant height of 7 cm. The producer proposed the tariff is Indonesia rupiah 20 cm cubic. How much does it cost Rosetta to place an order of 1000 cones? Solve this problem correctly. The solution is we can solve this problem by knowing the cone surface, then the price for one cone, and next the price for 100 coin. Why C for analyzing? In C for analyzing, we are required to retrieve information to solve problem. However, the information they have has not been able to solve the problem because the problem in this question is the price is of 100 coin, 1000 coins that Rosetta ordered. For this reason, it's necessary to know the coin area ordered in order to solve the problem. And in this problem, there is also KKO, namely solve. Problem example C5 evaluation. It's known that there are coins X and Y. Coin X has a volume of 374 and height 7 cm, while coin Y has a coin area of 220 cm cubic and sun height of 7 cm height and height 7 cm. Compare size between coin X and coin Y. Explain your answer. The solution is, pertama kita temukan volume dari coin X itu sendiri untuk mendapatkan jari-jari dari coin X. Lalu selanjutnya itu kita temukan luas dari selimut coin Y. Lalu kita akan mendapatkan jari-jari dari coin Y. Lalu kita bandingkan coin R dan jari-jari coin X dan coin Y dan tinggi dari coin X dan coin Y. Terlihat bahwa jari-jari dari coin Y itu lebih besar daripada jari-jari coin X, sedangkan tingginya sama. Sehingga itu berarti bahwa coin Y itu lebih besar daripada coin X. Next, why C5 evaluating? In C5 evaluating, we must demand a decision. Before making a decision, we must first analyze it thoroughly. In this problem, in order to compare the two coins, we must analyze whether the radius and the height of the two coins are different or not, so that the two coins can be compared. In this problem, there is also KKO, namely compare. Next, problem example C6 creating. Create mathematically the relationship between the volume of the cones and the surface area. Jadi solusinya, jadi kita dapat menyelesaikannya dengan mencari hubungan antara volume dan luas dari area itu. Dapat dilihat di solusinya itu, dan akan kita temukan rumus baru, yaitu rumus area dengan menggunakan volume dan tinggi. Next, why C6 creating? In C6 creating, we are required to think of new things in order to able solve problem. In this problem, we can solve the problem by lowering the existing formula and getting another formula. In this problem, there is KKO also, namely creating. I think that's all. Sorry for my mistakes, and thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.